What's the meaning of Aladdin? Aladdin. 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 Aladdin.
Aladdin is a name with Arabic origins that means nobility of faith or excellence of religion. In Western culture, it is most commonly known as the titular character in the classic Middle Eastern folk tale, Aladdin and the Magic Lamp, which tells of a young man who discovers a powerful genie in a lamp and uses his wishes to win the heart of a princess and defeat an evil sorcerer. The story has been adapted into various forms of media, including films, television shows, and stage productions.